Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 6.1 question number 1 is completed. Now next in question number 2, if NP3 is equal to 990, then find the value of N. Okay, NP3 is 990 is given, find the value of N. N find. So write down NP3 is equal to 990. Now next step, write the formula for permutation. NPR is equal to N factorial divided by in bracket N minus R out of bracket. Here value of N is N and value of R is 3. Now next step, NP3 is equal to N factorial divided by N minus 3 out of bracket factorial. NP3 value is given 990. Now next step, 990 is equal to N factorial decreasing order step. Okay, consecutive all value. So N, next step, N minus 1, next, N minus 2, next, N minus 3. So denominator is already given N minus 3 factors. So here N minus 3 factorial. Okay. Divide by N minus 3 factorial. So numerator and denominator same bracket cut. N minus 3 factorial, N minus 3 factorial. Now next step, 990. Okay, 3 consecutive value multiplication of 990. Okay, now meaning કે તમારે એવા ફેક્ટર્સ પાડવાના એટલે કે 990 ના 3 consecutive values નું multiplication 990. Now next step, 990 is equal to N in bracket N minus 1, another bracket N minus 2. So LCM 990 divide by 2, 445. Now next step, 3 on the 3, 4, okay, divided by 5. Use, you can see 990 divided by 2, 495 divided by 3, 165 divided by 3, 55 divided by 5, 11 and 11 આ રીતે તમે ફેક્ટર્સ બી પાડી શકો. ઓકે, જેને નથી આઈડિયા હોતો હવે એલસીએમ લે ઓકે ફેક્ટર્સ રિયલ 3 into 3 so 9, 5 into 2 10. Okay, so 3 consecutive values 9, 10 and 11. Multiplication is 990. Okay, so 9, 10 and 11. Now next step, 11 minus 1, 11 minus 2. Okay, 11, 10 and 9 is equal to right hand side N minus 1 and minus 2 as it is. Both sides check it. In N place, opposite side value is 11. Therefore, N number of observations is 11. Clear? Question number 2. Now next, in question number 3. If 9PR is equal to 3024, find the value of R. Okay, 9PR is given 3024. find the value of R. R find out. NPR permutation. So first of all, write the formula for permutation. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by in bracket n minus R out of bracket factorial. Here value of n is 9 and value of R is R. Next step. 9PR is equal to 9 factorial divided by in bracket 9 minus R out of bracket factorial. Value of 9PR is 3024 is equal to 9 factorial divided by in bracket 9 minus R out of bracket factorial. Next step, inverse value, denominator numerator and numerator denominator. In bracket 9 minus R out of bracket factorial is equal to 10 divided by 3024. So 9 factorial means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All values multiplied. So using calculating, write down 9. Okay. Next step, decreasing order 8. So 9 into 8. Okay. 9 into 8, 17, 2. Okay. Next, into 7. Into 7, 504. Into 6. Into 6, 3024. Okay. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 means 3024. So now next step, only for 5 factorial. Divide mark 3024. That the numerator માં 9 થી start 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So 6 સુધીમાં શું આવી જાય મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન 3024. So next value 5 factorial. એટલે 5 4 3 2 1 રાઈટ કરવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. Okay? So 9876 divided by 3024, both values got rest of 9 minus R out of bracket factorial is equal to 5 factorial. Both side factorial got remaining value 9 minus R is equal to 5. Inverse interchange, negative positive. So 9 minus 5 is equal to R, therefore value of R is 4. Here completed question number 3. Next, question number 4. If 3 into np3 n plus p 3p4 is equal to 5 into n plus 2p4, then find the value of n. So first of all, write down 3 into n plus 3 p4 is equal to 5 into n plus 2 p4, then find the value of n. Okay, both side values given. N plus 3 decreasing order 4 step, right? So 3 in big bracket. Okay, n plus 3 decreasing order 4 step. So first n plus 3 as it is. Next decreasing order step 1 minus. So n plus 2. Next decreasing order 1 value another less. N plus 1 and last n. Same right hand side 5 in bracket. N plus 2 decreasing order 4 step. So first step as it is n plus 2. Now next n plus 1. Next n and last n minus 1. Okay, both side same bracket, same values got. N plus 2, n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 1, n. Both are cut, both sides left and right. Remaining values write down. 3 in bracket n plus 3 is equal to 5 in bracket n minus 1. Both side multiplication for coefficient. So 3 into n, 3n plus 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 5 into n, 5 minus 5 into 1, 5. The sign change, variable are same. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 5n minus 3n. Okay, side change. 9 plus 4 5 5 40. 5 minus 3 2 and 2 in multiplication, opposite side, divide, denominator write down. So 14 by 2 is equal to n, therefore value of n is 7. Okay, so here completed question number 4. Now next question number 5. In how many ways can 4 persons be arranged in a row? Underline arrange. Arrange means permutation. Okay, 4 persons. કોઈ ચાર વ્યક્તિ છે એને શું કરવાનું છે અરેન્જ કરવાનું. સપોઝ કે બેન્ચ હોય તો બેન્ચમાં આપણે અરેન્જ કર 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 3 1 3 4 2 1. કોઈ બી રીતે આપણે 4 पर्सन ને શું કરવાનું છે? ઓન્લી ફોર અરેન્જ મીન્સ 4 બી 4. આન્સર A B C and D. 4 person. Arrange in rows of first A, second B, C, D. First A, B, D, C, A, C, D, B, A, B, C, D. Interchange are possible. The total permutation four P 4 person in 4 place is given. 4P 4 4P 4 n P n means n factorial. 4 factorial means 4 to 1, or this is multiplication. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Answer is 24 ways. So 4 person arranged in 4 places, total 24 ways. This 24 is the શું કરીએ આપણે arrangement કરી છે. Okay, now next question number 6. How many 6-digit number can be formed using all the digits 1 2 3 0 7 9? Okay, 1 2 3 0 7 9. Okay, total 6 digit is given. The 6 digit numbers find करवाना है. 6 digit છે, 6 digit numbers find કરવાના. તો એવું સમજો કે જ્યારે બી 0 is the first place, means let place પર હોય, બરાબર? 0 first place પર હોય તો 5 digit number. 6 digit માટે 0 is not possible for first place. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total 6 place. So your first place 1 is possible, 2 is possible, 3 is possible, 7 is possible, 9 is possible, 0 is not possible. So here 0 right करें तो 5 digit number है. 0 is not right. So 5 digit and 1 place and rest of 5 place 5 digit. यहाँ ये कटते जाते rest of 4 digit and 0. 5 plus 5 is total. Okay. Total permutation five digit 1 place and rest of 5 place 5 digit and means multiplication 5 to 5. 5 given first step, 5 is itself, into 5 means 5 factorial. Now next, 5 into 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 120 into 5, 600 ways are possible for the 6 digit numbers. Okay? We completed question number 6. Next, question number 7. In how many ways can 5 boys and 3 girls be arranged in rows so that all the boys are together? Okay, 5 boys and 3 girls arranged in rows so that all the boys are together. 5 boys, 3 girls, total 8 person members. All 5 boys are together. 5 boys एक साथ है वैसे. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 girls. 1, 2, and 3. Total 8 person. First boy is B1, second B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay, total 5 boys. And 3 girls. G1, G2, G3. Total 8 person. All 5 boys are arranged together. Combined 1 unit. All 5 boys combined 1 unit. Combined 1 unit means जहाँ से त्या first number एक साथ इधर से all 5 boys. And rest of 3 girls 3 unit 2, 3 and 4. So 5 boys 1 unit, 3 girls 3 unit, total 4 unit arranged in 4p4. Done. And all 5 boys is place are interchanged. So that 5 boys interchange place. First way last way first, middle way second, fourth way third. Interchange are possible. So 5v5 another case. Total permutation first of all 4 unit 4 place 4p4 and all 5 boys are interchanged first last third second third fourth. Okay, and means multiplication 5p5 4p4 4 factorial and 5p5 means 5 factorial. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4, 3 to 1 multiplication is 24 and 5 to 1 multiplication 120. So using LCM 24 into 120 2880. So 5 boys and 3 girls are arranged in rows so that all the 5 boys are together base is 2880. A completed question number 7. Now next question number 8. Okay, important question. There are 7 digits for 7 lines. Okay, 7 digits and 7 lines. 3 kgs out of 7 kgs are so small. Where 7 money 3 kgs is so small. Meaning rest of 4 is a big case. that 3 out of 7 lines cannot be fit in it. Okay. હવે આમાં પાછા શું છે 7 લાઈન માંથી 3 લાઈન માં ફિટ થતા નથી એટલે 3 big line there and rest of 4 remaining small line. Okay. Then find in how many ways can 7 line be arranged in 7 pages. So 7 line ને 7 pages માં arrange કરવા તો total લખો. So 7 line is 7 pages. Okay, 3 kgs are so small. Okay, 3 kgs out of 7 kgs are so small. Small kgs 3, meaning rest of 4 big kgs. Okay, then another question. 3 out of 7 line cannot be fit in it. Okay, 7 line. Small and big. You know, 3 out of 7 line cannot be fit in. Meaning 3 big line and 4 small line. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 big keys and 3 small keys. 1, 2, 3. So big line, small keys, ma fit nathi time is not possible. So 3 big line. A big line ma take total 1, 2, and 3, 4. 4 keys, 4 place, 3 line easily fit it. And 3 keys and remaining 1, 4 keys. 4 small, the small line is a big is must be possible. So total permutation okay 1 2 3 4 4 big kgs and big line is 3, so 4p 3 and 4 small line and 4 kgs 4p 4p3 means 3 step 4 into 3 into 2 into 4p4 means 4 factorial 4 3 2 multiplication 24 into 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 so 24 into 24 576 weight. Okay, 7 kgs arranged in 7 line. Possible ways 576. Here completed question number 8. Next question number 9. Using all the digits 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, how many numbers greater than 50,000 can be formed? Okay, 2, 3, 5, 8 and 9. 5 digits greater than 50,000. 5 digit is given, okay, greater than 50,000 number of ways find. Okay, above 50,000 ne you ways find karan theta. Above 50,000 means first place of find more than 5 digit is possible. 2 and 3 not possible for the first place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 place. Greater than 50,000, the first place possible 2 is not possible, 3 not possible, 5 possible, 5 and more than 5 digit possible, 5, 8 and 9. 3 digit 1 place. Meaning કે remaining જે બે digit છે another કોઈ બી place પર આવશે જે select then 2 and 3 એ બી અહીંયા આવશે so one place okay 3 digit one place and 4 place 4 digit total permutation three digit one place means 3p1 and remaining 4 place 4 digit 4p4 so 3p1 first step 3 itself and 4p4 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 4, 3, 2, 1. Means multiplication. 3 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So using calculation, total ways 17. Two ways are possible. Digits are more than is greater than 50,000. Here completed question number 9. Next, question number 10. A person has 5 chocolates of different size. कोई person मेरे पास है 5 different size के chocolate. These chocolates are to be distributed among 5 children of different age. ये 5 chocolates 5 children ने distribute कर, but ये भी different age ना चाहिए. All 5 children are different age. If the biggest chocolate is to be given to the youngest child, then in how many ways 5 chocolate can be distributed among 5 children? Okay, અને એમાં શું કીધું છે જે big chocolate છે એ youngest child, so તેનાનો જે child તેને આપવાની. Total how many ways are there? 5 different sizes chocolates. Now 5 different age ના શું છે? Okay. Biggest chocolate given to youngest child. Sure. The one is compulsory select the big chocolate young child આપવાનું. બાકીની ચોકલેટ કોને આપવાની કંઈ જ કીધું નથી. means 4 person and 4 chocolate 4p4. So total permutation one p1. One will select biggest chocolate given to younger child, and rest of 4 person given 4 chocolate 4p4 with 1p1 1 factorial 4p4 factorial 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So total 24 ways are possible to biggest chocolate given to youngest child. Here completed question number 10. Now next, in question number 11, how many total arrangement can be made using all the letter of the following word? Okay, example number 15. Okay, illustration 15 जो देमा जो तो identical thing, permutation for identical things. बस a formula समझ. Question number 11. So question number 1. Statistics. Okay. First, what is your statistics? Second, bookkeeper. And third, FPN. Three words is given. So using permutation for identical thing. Illustration number 54. Okay. First of all, check it. Total permutation. Okay. Total number of letters in what statistic? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in numerator write down 10 factorial. Divide by, okay, s repeated 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Divide by 3 factorial. T 1, 2, 3 times. 3 factorial. A 1 time. T here. I 1 and 1. 2 times. S P I C 1 time. Okay. So numerator total number of the letter 10 and divide by repeated 3, 3, 2. So using as a 10 factorial answer, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Three, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0, 0, 36, 28,800. Divide by 3 factorial. So 6, 3 factorial, 6, 2 factorial is 2. 36, 28,800 divided by 70, 50,400. Check it. Total 50,400 ways are possible for the words statistics. Second, what is bookkeeper? Total permutation. Okay, total number of letters in words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 factorial. Divide by B, repeated 1 time, O 2 time, K 1, 2, 2 time, E 1, 2 and 3 time, P 1 time, R 1 time. So 10 factorial answer 362 8800. 36 like 28,800. Divide by 2 factorial means 2, 2 factorial is 2 and 3 factorial is 6. 36 like 28,800 divided by 24. So answer 1 lakh 51,200. Check it. One lakh 51,200 ways are possible. Next, letter total number of letter in words. Total permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters in word. So 9 factorial. Divide by A 1 and 1 2 times. T 2 times. E 1 time. R 1 time. I 1 time. N G. Remaining all letters. 9 factorial. Using calculation 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Multiplication is 362,880. Divide by 2 into 2. So 3,62,880 divided by 4. 362880 divide by 4. Your final answer 90,720. We have completed question number 11. Next is question number 12. What is the ratio of number of arrangement of all the letter of the word Ashok and Gita? Okay, Ashok and Gita ratio find out કરવાનું છે બરાબર છે. Ashok is to Gita. Done. In words also there are total 5 letters A, S, H, O, P. 5 factorial. 3 letter repeated, not repeated. Is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letter in words Gita. 5 letter. Repeated letter E 2 times. Divide by 2 factorial. 5 factorial answer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is to same 5 factorial 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divide by 2 factorial 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 multiplication 120 is to 2, 1, 2, 1 cut numerator denominator same value 5 into 4 into 3 so 61 the 60 62 the 120 so Ashok and Gita words ratio is 2:1. Okay, we have completed question number 12. Next, question number 13. There are 5 seats in a car including the driver seat. The 5-seated car with driver. Okay, 5-seated car. If 3 out of 10 members in family know driving, then in how many ways 5% out of 10 members can be arranged in the car? Okay. For family માં 10 members માં 3 members એવા છે કે જે already driving આવડે છે. પછી driving કાર લઈને જવું તો minimum એક driver તો જોઈએ છે. બરાબર? એટલે total 10 members. 3% are in driving. You know meaning ratio of 7. Okay. Well, 5-seated car 10 માંથી total 5 members ને જ આપણે કારમાં શીખવાનું છે. One is compulsory driver so 3 drivers છે એમાંથી 1 compulsory select કરવો પડશે આપણે. Now meaning of the rest of the 7 members છે એમ નથી કીધું કે remaining 2 driver ને નથી લેવાના તો family members છે 3 E1 એક driver select કરી લેતા remaining જે બે driver છે ક્યાં ઇન્વોલ્વ થશે rest of the members એમાં involved થશે plus e બરાબર plus 2 the total 9 members are rest of them 3 drivers છે એમાંથી એક already select કરીશું remaining જે બે driver છે જે rest of members હતા 7 માં એડ એટલે 9 members છે 5-seated car છે 5 members ને select કરવાના છે 1 is driver એટલે 9 members માંથી કેટલા members ને select કરીશું આપણે 4 અહીંયા 1 plus 4 total 5 members total permutation is equal to 3p1 જે 3 drivers છે એમાં compulsory E1 driver ને આપણે select rest of 2 drivers કે involve થઈએ ભાઈ remaining members નો 7 plus 2 9 9 માંથી 4 into 9p4 clear question માં 10 members છે 5-seated car છે 5 select કરવાના છે 3% are not driving meaning rest of 7 are does not not driving driver તો એક જોઈએ minimum so 3p1 remaining 2 driver ક્યાં એડ થશે rest of members માં so 7 plus 2 9 9 માંથી 4 members came, one already selected, so remaining 4 persons. So 3p1 first step 3 and 9p4, 9 are decreasing order of first 4 step, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay, so using del C, 3 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. So total is 9072 ways are possible for the 5-seated car. 3 driver are going right. Okay, here completed question number 13.